Have you ever opened a computer and seen a big board with many small parts on it? Or wondered, how do all computer parts connect and work together? The answer is the motherboard. In this video, we will explain what a motherboard is and how it works in the simplest way possible. What is motherboard? Motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer. Think of it as the backbone or central hub of your system. All important components are connected to the motherboard, such as CPU, processor, RAM, memory, storage, SSD/HDD, GPU, graphics card. Without a motherboard, these parts cannot communicate with each other. Why? Motherboard is important. Motherboard is very important because it connects everything together. It allows data transfer between components, power distribution, communication between CPU, RAM, and storage. In simple words, motherboard equals everything works together. How motherboard works? Simple. Let's understand this in a simple way. When you turn on your computer, power comes from PSU. Motherboard distributes power to all parts. CPU starts processing, RAM loads data. Storage provides files, so the process is power motherboard CPU RAM storage. Motherboard acts like a communication system. It ensures all components talk to each other smoothly. Main parts of motherboard. Let's look at the important parts. 1. CPU socket. This is where the processor is installed. It connects CPU to the motherboard. 2. RAM slots. These are slots where RAM sticks are installed. More slots equals more memory support. 3. Chipset. This controls communication between components. It manages how data flows inside the system. 4. PCIe slots, used to install graphics card, GPU, expansion cards. 5. Storage connectors, used for SSD, HDD. 6. Power connectors, connect motherboard to power supply. Types of motherboards. There are different sizes, form factors. 1. ATX, full-size motherboard, more features and slots. 2. Micro-ATX, smaller than ATX, fewer slots. 3. Mini-ITX, very small, used in compact PCs. What happens without a good motherboard? If motherboard is weak or outdated, limited upgrade options, slower data transfer, compatibility issues, that's why choosing the right motherboard is important. Motherboard in gaming. Motherboard does not directly increase FPS, but it affects compatibility with GPU, RAM speed support, overall system stability, motherboard and performance. Motherboard supports performance by allowing faster RAM, supporting better CPUs, providing faster storage connections. Motherboard equals communication center. Think of motherboard like a city. CPU equals brain, RAM equals workers, storage equals warehouse, motherboard equals roads connecting everything. If roads are good, traffic flows smoothly. If roads are bad, everything slows down. Let's quickly recap. Motherboard is the main circuit board. It connects all computer components. It manages communication and power. It affects compatibility and upgrades. Now you understand what a motherboard is and why it is important. If you want more simple tech videos like this, subscribe to Byte and tell us in the comments, what should we explain next: FPS, internet, or operating system?